first up, let me show you who I use. So this is the company I use, gen.video. And it's just gen.video. Let me give you those. Send to all. Okay. So gen.video, that's who you want to be using. And I think really there are a lot of things that Amazon says you can and can't do with your videos. But for me, the two big ones, the two big no-nos on your video, okay? If you do these things, you will be in a world of pain, okay? So I'm going to give you the two big ones. First big one is do not, under any circumstances, try and get customers to watch your video and then to navigate away from Amazon, all right? Do not try and get them to do that, to opt in for something, go to YouTube, go to Facebook, whatever it might be. Don't do that. Amazon hates it. Clearly, they want to keep the customers on their website, so that will get you into all sorts of trouble, all right? So that is the first big no-no. The second big no-no is be extremely cautious what claims you make in your videos, all right? I would go as far to say, don't make any claims about your product in your videos. It is fraught with danger in my experience, and Amazon's got this real overly cautious standpoint when it comes to claims, not only on videos but also on the product detail page too. You better just not to make any claims. And a claim is something like, if you use this product, it will cure your cancer. Something crazy. I mean, that's a big one, of course, but you get the idea. That's a claim. So using this product will cure your flatulence. If you've got flatulence, I've got no idea. But if you use this product, lo and behold, you won't have it anymore. So it's that sort of thing. That's a claim. Don't make any of those either. I don't know why the flatulence thing came into my head. So don't make any of those and you should be okay. This is who I use, gen.video. It's like $500 to get them to do the whole thing. And I think that's solid money, well spent. Let's see if it's still got the, oh, they don't give you the pricing. What a surprise. Let's see if we can get them. Come on, give us some prices. It was $500. Here we go. All right, so you post your job, so you join for free to join, but the people who do your videos, they charge you, and it's typically, well, I'm not going to say the lowest you can pay is $500. However, you can negotiate and you can pay less, all right? So don't worry too much about that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.